cancer. Can they cancel my insurance? I am worried and I do not know who to call. My mom gave me your email. Thank you. I'm sorry about the cancer. I hope it all works out. No, they can't. That underscores why we have this show. The 40 million people out there that gamble, had they been one of these people in the situation you described, they'd never be able to get insurance forever, other than through work. They'd have to scramble, get a job, and getting jobs isn't that easy. You know. Anyway, I won't go into that, but anyway. So the point is this: is that thank God, you know, our system, is it perfect? No. What system is? People talk about all sorts of things, and our system saves lives, and I can talk for hours on how great our system is. Certainly has its flaws. Again, what system doesn't? Isn't it an amazing thing, though, that in car insurance, you get a ticket, a fender bender, whatever, you're in trouble. You know, they're going to send you a letter probably and say, see ya. But with health insurance, not only can't they cancel you, Mary is her name, Mary, they can't even raise your rates, and they won't. They will not raise your rates over the issue, thank God. So you're fine. Sorry, you weren't definitive about what's going on. God bless you. I'm sure, I hope, I pray everything will be good for you. But no, they can't. You got the only way. Let me just say this before we move on, because we are a show about public service and education. Let me just say this: if someone didn't tell the truth and they were diagnosed with any form of cancer prior, or that you lied on anything, you can lie on an application about smoking and then get cancer, and they can say, see you later, alligator, over the smoking, and then you have nothing. That's why we don't lie on applications. It's called full disclosure. We give them the whole truth and nothing but the truth. We don't turn it into a confessional either. If the app calls for the last 5 years, the application, then we give them the last 5 years. But in the application, they talk about signs, symptoms. They talk about consultation for treatment. So you have to be careful. You have to read the fine print, and you have to answer it. I do not allow my customers, clients, prospects to skirt the truth. It's not worth it. I don't want to be a part of someone thinking they have insurance, and then when they need it, like Mary does right now, for them to be out in the cold. I couldn't live with myself. So we don't skirt the truth, give them the whole truth. So that again underscores what I always say: you got to get health insurance when you're young. You have it when you're a child. When you leave mom and dad, continue the policy, pay for it yourself. It's not expensive. Keep it forever. I'm on a mission. The show is on a mission. We're on a mission to educate. I think we're doing it. Do we affect the country? No. Are we significant in a big way? No. Have we helped some people? Absolutely. Will we continue to try to help people? All day long. So anyway, Mary, God bless you again, and if you need anything else, shoot me an email. Andy, what do you think of HSAs? I don't understand them, and yet a friend of mine in the mortgage business has asked me or mentioned that he's on an HSA. Great question. That's called a health savings account. I'm not wild about health savings accounts because, first of all, nobody ever wants them. The one customer I happen to have on a health savings account, I inherited. It's a broker of record letter. He made me his broker, and they don't like it. Jim is his name, and his wife, Jacqueline. They don't like it. The reason they don't like it is they don't cover anything. They don't cover anything till you reach your deductible. So they have to shell out $8,000 between the two of them to get any kind of coverage. So health savings account are strictly for a tax break. If you're looking for a tax shelter of any kind, then you need it. If not, you don't need it. I'll tell you how to create a health savings account. Get a higher deductible, save some money, put that savings in your pocket. Don't line the pocket of the insurance company. Put it in a separate account. It'll be there for you. Have it devoted to insurance needs. You also have what's called an HIA, health investment account. Look into that as well. They'll match some of what you put in, and you'll take that additional dollar. You'll put that to your nickel and diming that goes on throughout the year. So I'm not going to say no to HSAs. I'm an advisor and educator. What I am going to say is I'm not high on them. Anyway, it's time to break for a commercial. We'll be right back.